Hi guys, welcome to my video. So today we're just going to be doing a house tour. By the way, this is my first video, so let's begin. So when we walk into the house, you have the Christmas tree. There will be much more presents under this tree. And here's the dining table, living room, cookies on the counter, my bad. And this is the kitchen, dirty dishes everywhere. And when you go upstairs, I think this light is already on. Christmas tree. I'm going to be decorating this soon. This is the bedroom. Another bedroom. This, when it's Christmas time is over, I'll be painting it to purple. Oops. Over on the shelf. How cute. This is a baby room. Master's bedroom. And what's the last? Bathroom and the balcony. And it stops right here. Let's turn this out. Boom. And it stops right there. And bushes on the side. And decorations. Right now I do not have a car, but I will be getting one. And that's my house tour. So thank y'all for watching and stay tuned for my next video.